guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Is it today your first time coming in here? I say very big welcome to you. Alright, I've got a lot of requests. Some people they said they want to learn how to promise for the beginners. And now this video I'm doing right now either. It's for those who produce for themselves. You can actually save yourself from buying lotions that are done working. Okay, so this video is for those who wants to make for themselves, not for commercial purpose, not for selling, yeah, for self-use. And then don't forget this, for you to start, I will always tell you to go with this glutathione. This is a lightning glutathione. But constant usage can actually make you white. Now let's quickly see the things that it is being made of. Now, I think we should focus. Yes. Now we have the ingredient glutathione tablet. Oh. You see, and you all know glutathione tablet is equivalent to the injection also, if you don't know, because when this is from the inside, it works from the inside. That's how the injection work also. They work from the inside. Are you getting it? Now let's see let's see if it has what's going to facilitate it. Now, okay, vitamin C is there, collagen is there, arbutin is there, essential oil is there also. Wow. So this is good to go to use this as your base. Remember, don't mix it with base cream. No, this is your base cream. This is your base cream. Try this, it will work. So now when you use this as your base cream, what come up next? Then you use this concentrate, this glutathione superfood concentrate, original one. You add this one to it. You might decide if you want to be more effective, you can use one of this. But if you just want it to move slow, you can use half of it. But it must be original. All of them must be original. Right? So you add this one to it. Don't forget, this one also complements that one. So like what is in here is in that also. That what is inside the lotion is in here also. So this one is more even highly concentrated than the lotion. So when you add it to the lotion, it triggers it triple. All I just advise you, let it be original. That is it. Okay? Now after that one, what I will advise you again, you come with this serum. Look at it. You see? Now what the serum will help you to do now is, this, right? This serum, my video, okay, it's filled, right? Now this serum, it will help you to remove black or dark spot heads from your skin. All right? Because it enhances the lotion. It's a lightening serum, it's a lightening property. All of the ingredients in here, they are all lightening. So they are to remove every dark spot, all of the ingredients in here, to remove dark spot. Better enough, all of this item I've shown you, they are free from hydroquinone. They are free from hydroquinone. When you use them, you add this one half. If you want it to speed up, half. But I will advise you, slow and steady win the race. So you should use at least like 1 tablespoon for the 500 ml. I'm only saying it because some people, they'll say it's not working. I dislike that one. It's not working because they are not patient. But if you're not patient, use the whole bottle. Yes. If you're not patient enough, you want to work fast, use the whole bottle. So that is that. Don't forget I told you the use of it is to remove black spot. Now, then let's go to the tube. Add one of these. Alright? Add one of these. This one is lightning property also. Just add one of this. Just one. Because we want it to be more faster. Okay? Then, what I will advise you again, don't forget, your arbutin, to boost the arbutin. All this we put in is lightning properties. Lightning properties. Then after that, you cannot control it. In case any side effect, you cannot use your Olibat. Don't forget, our Olibat, we have other ones, but you can use this Olibat to control if there is any side effect. Are you getting it? Yes, any white patches, because some people, their skin brings some sort of side effects due to reaction of the lotion. Maybe it's too hot, or maybe it's not oily enough. So you can use this, or due to the weather. Whatever the case may be, use this Olibat to control the side effect. We're just going through this in a quick one for those of you, for the beginners. Now you cannot put your whitener. Oil. Now, the truth is, some of the whitener these days, they are not working. Let me be plain. Some of the whitener these days, they are not working. I don't know where they are getting all those whitener. They call it whitener also. When you see just like this, whitener is the only product. But if you can get the original white oil, you can put this whitener oil, at least 3/4, or you can just put, let's say, 5 spoons. So it might get to this place, at least to get to this place. When you get to this place, it's going to make it more unique, that when you're using this, it will make you understand the skin. Because when you add oil, the oil is supposed to moisturize, then whitening. Mostly if it's whitening oil, it will moisturize, then whitening your skin. After moisturize, those are the best oil. An oil that will just whiten you without moisturizing you first is not an oil. It's not an oil. So I will always advise you, use an oil that will moisturize your skin first before whitening you. Are you getting me? Yes. So with that, all the dead cell also will fall off. So with this oil, it's also like body repair also. It will unify the skin. Whitener does a lot of things. It does a lot of things. Some people, they know it for other things. But I'm just telling you what I know this for. Now, let's come to other extra additive. We started from the whitener. There are other extra additives to make this lotion, to enhance the lotion on your body. Now, I will advise you to use this Glutathione. Very, very effective. This Glutathione is a highly concentrated also. The only reason it will not work when it's fake. Yes. Now let's quickly see. It said, what is it? There's something I want to show you. Okay. Glutathione, look at it here. Look at it. Intense whitening. So it's not just like other concentrate that maybe they'll just brighten it. No. It might be slow on your body, but constant usage, you will see your body will change. Your skin will change. your skin will change from lightening to you see that you have this complexion white, and also it correct all color discoloration. Yes, I've used it to promote stamp that number for clients. Then let's come with this. All right, we all know all this Oli product. I love them a lot because hardly you see the fake one. Hardly you see the fake one. So if you want to add this, you should add like 3 spoons of this. We'll try to make it effective. Now, all these additives we added, the reason why I add them is this. So that this lotion, you can make it a smart lotion. How can you make this a smart lotion now? You cannot add your powders. The powders are not here and I can stretch my hand there. You cannot add your powders. If you want to make it a smart lotion, you cannot add your powder. Either Alpha Boutique powder, Giga White powder, any powder, whitening powders. For that also, you can scoop out of it and correct it and turn it to body and face cream by adding your La La La. Just simple. Don't let anybody tell you anything. You cannot add your La La La, for the one you scoop out of it, you cannot add your La 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 face cream to it. Guys, you know something about this whitening product, if you come into whitening business, it's something you really have to focus. It's not by you just watch this video, no, or you must go to 1 million naira school, no. You just have to be focused. When you focus, concentrate, you will get it right. So we've come to the end of the class. If you know that you cannot really go through all this yourself, you can place your order. All of the ingredients we sell, organic ingredients we sell, powders we sell, our own personal product, smart lotions we sell, and we ship everywhere. The beauty of it all. You can check us at AYA Cosmetic on Instagram, then Austin Global at Facebook. Stay tuned. Stay blessed.